On the stone corn.
The stolen.
The stolen corn.
Kusgaha.
Mang Ardor has was a farmer
Kuduluag asa na ka?
who worked in the
Hacienda.
hacienda of a rich landowner. Every night he brought home a basket full of corn, which he had stolen from his master's bodega or barn. Dri-
Barn.
barn
Ring.
during a day. In a month, he was able to plant corn in 1 hectare of land. Then the corn was ripe. Ardor asked his friend to help him harvest them. The night before the harvest, he looked at his corn in the light of the full moon. Suddenly, the moon became dark. A cloud of clouds blocked his light as they flew down on the cornfield in great number. Mang, Ar- Mang Ardor sold,
Shouted.
shouted and screamed, but he should not carry them away. Each crow had grabbed,
Grabbed.
grabbed a stack of corn. Mang Ardor was angry, but he thought they didn't get in all their
Problema.
will be enough for me. Silent
Since
since by tomorrow night all the corn will be
Fed. Harvested.
harvested, but the farmer has grown. Then his friend came to the field the next morning. There has
There was
there was not a single corn to harvest. The crow
carrot.
carried every stack across the